Computer. This is the second chapter, understanding Windows. So now, what is operating system? What is operating system? Operating system, a computer has a special set of programs which manages all the jobs of the computer and makes it to run. This is known as operating system. Windows is an operating system which is a rectangular shape, which it will look like a rectangular frame that shows the different programs on the screen. See, these are the different programs available on the screen. I'll repeat, Windows is an operating system which looks like a rectangular frame. See, this is a rectangular frame and shows the different programs on the screen. These are the different programs on the screen. So first one is desktop. What is desktop? When you switch on the computer, Windows started automatically. The first screen which will appear, that is labeled pictures on it, is called on the desktop. So now the next one is, what is icons? The small pictures present or the symbols present on the desktop are called icons. This all you have studied in the previous class. Next it will come, what is taskbar? Taskbar is a horizontal bar which is located on the desktop. This is a horizontal bar which is present on the desktop. It has a start button. This is a start button. On the left side, the clock is on the right side. The start button is on the left side and the clock is on the right side. The right side of the taskbar is known as, this is notification bar. The right side, this is called notification area. The middle section of the bar shows the buttons which the label for each open application. The middle section, see here, this is a middle section. We can activate the application windows by clicking on the button on the taskbar. See, if I want to open any one option on this, we have to click on the particular application. It also allows us to quickly switch between applications that are open. See, we have already opened, I want to open Windows, Microsoft Office. After clicking here, we can directly open the document. See, if again I want to open any one, Excel now. See here, the Excel, Microsoft Office is open. Now again, if I want to on directly Windows, then I want to click here. If Excel, so multiple options can be opened in the taskbar. So the next one is what? Start button. The start menu gives the quick access to the documents. This is a start button. It will give the quick access to documents. Windows application help to support a menu and many options. See, these are the main menu options over here. To open the start menu, bring the cursor. See how to open here. To bring your cursor to near the start menu and press the left mouse button by clicking. Now the start option will open. Now the next topic is what? Selecting and deselecting the icons. See, what is selecting and deselecting icon? First we'll study what is selecting icon. To select any icon, simply what you have to do is, you have to take your cursor near the icon. This is icon, okay? This is icon. You are seeing here now the computer, when a small icon is there, no? This is an icon. How to select a item on the screen? See, take your cursor to the near icon. Just click on the icon. See, this is highlighted. No, this is highlighted. Is it right? Which is selected icon? this is highlighted like a box now, so this is a selected icon on the screen. See, even this is the icon, but these are, whether it is a highlighted, no, this is not highlighted, so it is deselected icons. This is selected. How to deselect it is now, just again click on the icon, it will see. This is deselected icon, this is selected icon. So now the next one is what? Selecting and adjust and non-adjustment icons. See how? I'll show you. If I want to select only first row the items, how we have to select that icon? Just left click the cursor and hold down the shift key till the last item. See, all the first row of the items are selected. I want only few icons to be selected. How I have to do it? Now we have to use a control key. See, this one I want and one more is this. You should not remove your finger on the control key. Always it should be pressed. When you will rejoin to your close, I'll take you all to the lab and I will show you to how to do. Okay. Now the next one is what? Opening a program. How to open a program now? Click on the icon which you want to select and press the enter key. Now I want to open this icon. Just click on this and press the enter key. The application window will open. One more option is there, that is you can do double click on the icon. The option will be open. Got? Okay. Then moving the desktop icons. How to move? Only what you have to do is just click and drag wherever you want to keep it here. Through the mouse you can drag it and keep somewhere you want over on the desktop. Okay. This everything all I will show you when you will rejoin to your school. I will execute and I will show you all. Arranging the desktop icon. Next is how to arrange. You can do arrange your study desktop like however you want. Similarly, you can arrange the icons on the desktop given. Right click on the blank area. Okay. Now you will find the list of options. This is called the shortcut or context menu. This is what called shortcut or context menu. Click on view. Here view option is there. Okay, click on the view option. Auto arrange icons. See, auto arrange icons. Okay, change the desktop however you want. You can change the appearance of the desktop background according to your choice. Right click on the blank area on the desktop. Personalize, one option is there here. You have to click on the personalize dialog box. Click on the desktop background. Click on the desktop background whichever you want to apply. Now this was there. Now I will change that as I will change this. Okay, just I will click over here. This has been changed. See, okay, how? Right click on the blank area, personalize. Okay, here is the background. Okay, this has been changed. Just close it. See, it has been changed now. Again, one more time I will change background. See, okay, this everything I will show you in our new lab. Changing the screensaver now. How we can change the screensaver? The screensaver is an image which pops up the computer screen whenever the computer remains idle. For a shortcut time, by pressing the any key you can get back to normal screen again. Follow the, now I'll show you the steps. Right click on the blank area on the desktop and personalized option. Okay, now here the how you have option is there here, slide show. Okay, see here. Okay, the background is getting changed. Multiple. Okay, are you getting? Next one is how to shut down your PC now. How to shut down your PC now? To shut down your PC, you are turning off your computer. You have to go to your start button. Here one option you can view that one is a power button. Okay, you have to click on power button. Now the next one is shut